This is an electric soldering iron presented by Tube.com. This type boasts a durable soldering iron core featuring fast heating. Precise temperature adjustment can be achieved within the range of 200 to 450 degrees Celsius. Stainless steel caps help prolong the service life of the heating core. Let's begin soldering and see how well it can work. As you can see, this soldering iron carries easy operation and reliable performance. And it is consistent holding the temperature. This item performs well in different soldering jobs. A variety of soldering irons are now available on www.tube.com.